Ravenelli. When your truck feels broke and heavy, rolling into Boroughbridge town, your brakes start sounding scary, clutch is slipping, engine dripping, feeling kinda rough. LPM are at the door, they've always got the stuff. Ravenelli, LPM's ready, hey. Serving all of Middlesbrough every day, hey. Filters, lights, and bearings on the way. Ravenelli, LPM's ready, hey. Hey. Down on Skipper's Lane, they've got the shelves stacked steady. From the Ridges to the Arctics, all the wagons ready. Paint and panels, hoses, valves, they've got the lot in stock. Phone them up in Middlesbrough, they'll have you back on dock. Ravenelli, LPM's ready, hey. Serving all of Middlesbrough every day, hey. Bulbs and mirrors, pads to save your pay. Ravenelli, LPM's ready, hey. Oh. From the A9T to the A66, if your motor's moody,